This is a radio navigation unit for Toyota Prius 2010 and up. Every time you disconnect the unit or you disconnect the battery in the vehicle, you need to reset the state that you are in after disconnecting the radio. Otherwise, you would not know what state are you in for the navigation. Otherwise, the navigation might show a different location. The first step to reset your state, you press the map and then you press the destination and then you click on the address and then you click on the search area, and for California is number 2. This is shows the state. So any state that you are in, suppose if you are in Oregon or Washington, you press 1. If you are in California, you press 2. And then you press OK and you save it. So, and if you disconnect the radio and then, or disconnect the battery, and you have to follow this procedure again. Otherwise, it will always go back to the default.